Hi, I am so excited to share with you our project. First of all, our group consisted of Renee Hadfield and me, Erin Rasmussen. So I'm the one that's going to do the video, Erin Rasmussen. So I'm just so excited to share with you all the fun stuff that we learned in our project. So our theme was actually a retro newspaper. We wanted to go for an old newspaper. We originally were going to do a garden theme, but then we switched to this newspaper theme because we thought it would be easier. I did a lot of research on newspapers to find all the elements that a newspaper had so that we could incorporate those to our project. So let's just give you kind of a tour. So it was interesting to me. Some things that I thought would be super hard weren't as hard as I would thought, and things that I thought would be easier or harder than I thought, if that makes any sense. So all of our images I illustrated in Illustrator and then saved them as SVGs. So here is our summary and that, and then we added this special edition. And the reason I chose the Viking scroll, I researched in BYU. I had student newspapers, and so they had different names for lots of them. There was the purple scroll, and I chose the Viking scroll, and that was established in 1939, so we chose that. Here's the main part that has all these different things. I'll say that in a minute. Okay, and then here's our animation down at the bottom. So when you click on these, they open. So super cool. So, and here's our sidebar that has all the links. So we're supposed to talk about our problems. Oh, the background too, I found the image and then I saved it as a SVG, so I had it in our file so that we would have it. Our problems were, at first, we were a member of a team of 3, and we didn't realize we were working as a team of 3, and then all of a sudden we realized after a couple weeks that we had lost one of our team members, so it was just us, and so that was kind of a challenge because we did it ourselves, and we were so excited that we did do it because I thought maybe it might be impossible, but we did do it. And so that just means that we worked harder and that we stayed committed. We met and worked on things. One challenge that we faced was working on different computers and not being able to. It was just different. It was harder because we were working on different things, and so it was hard to see. I keep saying that. And bad Wi-Fi. We've had a major blizzard here, so we haven't had Wi-Fi for days, so it makes things kind of hard. What we liked, Renee's favorite part was making it look like a newspaper, and so that's how we did. She was wonderful in setting it up in a grid, and so we have the big headlines. We have the image here. These are all things that they have in a newspaper. The side column. We just really try to make it look like a newspaper. And down here, this is super exciting. The reason that we have these, that she made these cute little circles, is if you look on newspapers, especially older newspapers, they have these colors at the bottom, and what that symbolized, if all these colors were really visible, then that meant that the whole newspaper, the ink was clear throughout the whole thing. So that was a sign of quality, and so we thought that was really neat to incorporate in our thing as a sign that everything works and everything is top-notch. So super excited about that. And just I'm excited about my images because I drew all these images. I tried to really read. This is kind of the symbol of the design. I'm excited because I dropped, this is actually the CSS logo, and so I dropped that blue And so that's the blue that all our links are, so they match the CSS blue. And I'm excited because I thought this was fun. This is actually the Unilome, which actually is the symbol to the road to enlightenment. And so I just read the things, and like benefits is, one of the benefits is inspiration. And so the light bulb is the sign of inspiration. So I'm just totally tickled that it looks so nice and that everything works. And I'm just tickled that we did it. And so pleased with how it turned out. So I hope you are too. So thank you for your time. And I've enjoyed having this class with you. Bye-bye.